Be Response Ready, a recommended list of tools and equipment that you should have on your vehicle at all times to perform tire changes, has been compiled for you. AAA Towing and Service Manual. A minimum of 6 safety cones. A set of 2 tire chocks. An air pressure gauge. A Schrader valve tightening tool. An air compressor or air tank filled to 120 psi. A rubber mallet with wheel cover removal tool. A 4-way lug wrench, standard and metric. Deep thin wall socket set, standard and metric. A spare tire kit for lowering the under vehicle spare tires. A 2-ton or higher floor jack. A jack stand. A wire brush. A torque wrench and sockets or torque stick. Large trash bags, large enough for a tire. The tote makes it convenient to carry all of the tools at the same time, including the wheel chocks. And lastly, a best practice is to use a magnetic tool tray to hold parts like the lug nuts.